Well, good morning, everybody. It's Easter. Happy Easter. I don't know if this is going to be uploaded on Easter, but here we go. We got a lot to do today. Gosh, I feel like we should recap because I don't know how many videos I have in the works, but quite a few. Anyway, you'll see 2 tractors gone there. They got hauled off day before yesterday. There's actually a trade-in program, so the good old state took 2 broken tractors and they're trading it for one brand new battery powered one. So it's very obvious I have plenty to spare. So we went ahead and gave that a shot. We got some new chickens. They're in the coop now staying warm. But we got watering to do, so let's get some of that done and then we'll go from there. It is slightly chilly this morning. I need to start watering this stuff more regularly. Everything's just been so busy. You know, I might skip a day or 2 here or there, but as you can see, everything is not looking great. And we've got the new little garden area. This is one my wife put together a few weeks ago. I got to spray for some weeds out here in the mulch. They're growing crazy. Maybe we'll do that this morning. Again, this is another spot. I mean, everything's just not getting watered other than the stuff that's on the automatic watering, but I do have a problem with the drip right now. I don't know if you saw it back there. My bamboo is pretty much dead. Something in that section of the drip is just not working, which is weird because everything in line with that or downstream is getting watered. It's just that's not. So I got to get that figured out sooner than later. There's the little buggers. This new coop is going to be kind of nice. I mean, it's already way better than that one over there or the one we had down there, so. Alright. I would say let's find something to do, but we don't have to look very hard. Another thing I have to do is get the van cleaned up. I think I need a smaller ice chest. This is too big for being in here. But, I mean, there's not a lot. It's ready to work. I just have to hang my overalls back up. I got some mower belts there I have to install on a mower for a client next week. I mean, for the most part, it's ready. Just got to tidy it up a little bit. I know I usually work in a very organized mess, but the van's working out real good so far. We haven't fixed the door yet. I mean, we patched it up, but still need to get a new door. But as soon as we do that, we can run it through the car wash too. But no, it's working good. Yeah, so far I'm really enjoying working out of it. Another thing I gotta figure out is what I'm gonna do with this big green turd. I'd really like to fix it, but it is just so hooped. Doesn't run, needs a head gasket, and you can see it's just, look at it. They just beat the crap out of this thing. Didn't care for it at all. It's worse on the passenger side, but look at the roof. Look at that. I don't know, it's like they were dancing on the roof or something. The windows all cracked up. Inside is not really any better. Look at this. So, I don't know. What do you guys think? Fix it or send it to the junkyard? Those are our two options. Look at this. This is just gross. But yeah, fix it or send it to the junkyard. Leave a comment down below and let me know. It might actually be in the junkyard already when I post this video. Gotta get the weeds cut around there. You saw I hit that line again. But I think that's where the bamboo is not getting watered, is right where I hit that line, because I've hit it a couple times already, but I thought I repaired it. I'll get it repaired this time. Gotta dig around in the van for my drip stuff. I don't really have to dig, I know where it is, but I don't use it a ton, so it kind of stays tucked away behind everything. Fire extinguisher. Here it is. So I've got to turn it on and then find out where all the brakes are and get them fixed. Alright. I guess the first thing to do is turn it on and see where we're leaking at. Takes a minute for the app to start. There we go, alright. 10 minutes. We're running. Where are we leaking? plenty. More than enough. Turn this off. Okay. Turn it off. There we go. Stop. Straight fitting in there to put that back together, and then we'll have to cut the soaker hose. See if it's leaking there. And I can always put I can always drop my phone, $1,200 phone in the wet grass. Wait for it to start. There we go. Interesting. So here's what we're looking at. I don't know if you could see that, but that is plenty of water. So stop. Maybe we need to replace the whole soaker. Maybe that's the problem. Well, I'm going to put this back together and see where we end up. Alright, starting again, so you can see we put that straight fitting in there. It's going now. There's just not a lot coming out of that soaker hose. Not as much as there should be. See if I can show you another one. Maybe it's like a pressure thing because there's not a lot coming out of there too. What do we have down here? Well, there's plenty coming out of there. That's not a soaker though. I think for now I'm just going to have it run longer. So if you look at this one, quite a bit coming out of it. That's how it's supposed to look. So that's interesting. Alright, have to investigate a little bit. Alright, well I got a lot done today. We got the splitter moved over to there. I started moving some of this wood because I need to get access, be able to pull things in and out of there. Mostly I think I just moved stuff around. I had the pump on for a while, but the tadpoles seemed to hate the moving water, so I shut it off. But yeah, doing pretty good. I think I'm going to end this now. I don't want to make too long of a video because I'm editing on a different computer and I'm worried how long it's going to take. Bananas are slowly but surely coming back. Everything's doing wonderful. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you next time. Thanks a million, everyone.